4. We were buying an iPad for our teenage daughter a few years ago. We thought we'd buy it from a store. There was, and possibly still is, a UK computer chain called iStore. Although they aren't affiliated with Apple, they chose a name that suggests their focus. My wife and daughter selected the model and even chose a case. But at the checkout, the salesperson insisted we purchase an extra warranty. My wife declined politely. He asked her again, repeating his pitch, and she declined again. I was standing about 15 feet away, not involved in the transaction, when the salesperson turned to me and asked, "Are you sure she doesn't need a warranty?" I replied, "Do you want to go? We can just buy it on Amazon." My wife agreed. Maybe the salesman learned that day not to assume a woman can be overruled. He stood there, stunned, and I said, "You've lost the sale." She was the customer.